Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today we are talking about one of the benefits of getting adjusted regularly, and that is better stress management. And there's two reasons. So reason number one is when you get adjusted, we actually flood our body with a lot of good information, and we actually upregulate our stress relieving hormones like serotonin and dopamine, and we down regulate the stress hormone cortisol. And then we also tend to feel a lot less pain and we're moving better, which helps us to be less stressed. So I recommend that you maintain your regular adjustments through the stressful holiday season.